subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo is all set to launch its new smartphone under X series in China on June 1st. But before the official launch, the upcoming Vivo X50 and X50 Pro smartphone renders along with some key specifications were leaked online. And among these two, the Vivo X50 will be the lower model of this series. Talking about the specifications, according to leaks, the Vivo X50 will support a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone is said to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Vivo X50 will feature a vertically aligned quad camera setup on the rear including LED flash. The quad rear cameras will include one 48MP primary camera accompanied by 13MP secondary and two 8MP cameras. At the front, it will have a 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner. The battery capacity of the phone will be 4315 mAh that will support 33 watts fast charging, and it will run on Android 10 out of the box. Additionally, the leak renders also suggest the phone to support an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it will come in liquid oxygen, black mirror and shallow color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of Vivo X50 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Vivo X50 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.